Arshad Sharif was said to frequent. The farm owned by Sharif's friend hosts a hotel and shooting range. According to staff here, on the fateful day, the evening of the 23rd of October, Sharif left Kenya farm while in the company of his brother Huram Ahmed. But the journey back to Nairobi was cut short. At this point, Kenya Farm, Kamkuru Maram Road within Magadi, a hail of bullets rained on their vehicle, killing the renowned Pakistani investigative journalist. At daybreak, a police statement admitted a police officer shot and killed the renowned Pakistani blaster. And what the statement alleged was a case of mistaken identity. The 50-year-old was aboard motor vehicle number KDJ 200M at the time of the incident. The vehicle was found in police station in the county of Kajiado. The killing of the Pakistani national and journalist, however, opened up floodgates of questions. Did the police attempt to stop the vehicle, and did the occupants defy the orders? Why did the police open fire and yet the occupants were not shooting at them? Why did the police not shoot the vehicle's tires to immobilize it instead of lethal force? Why did the police aim the passenger and not the driver? Why did the police open fire and yet there was a child allegedly on board the vehicle that was reportedly carjacked? If the vehicle was common on that road, then what caused mistaken identity? How did the police confuse a KDJ 200M and a KDJ 700F? What was the color and model of the vehicle that was carjacked? And the questions remaining dazzling and many, not only for the Kenyan but for the world. Will the Kenya police forthcome with answers that are sufficient and digestible? Kadir, Citizen TV.